Hi there! So Xiaomi launched their X series TVs last month and we had uploaded a very detailed video showing all the contents of the box, the unboxing experience, all about its features and the viewing experience. We made that video in Hindi and English as well. I'll leave the link for both those videos in the description, which I highly recommend you check it out. So I've actually been using this 50-inch 4K X series for about 2 weeks now and I have mixed feelings. So let me share what I liked, what I didn't, so you can decide if you should buy this TV or not. Let's begin. So first things first, the X series is not the most feature-packed TV that you can get. Xiaomi has cut some edges to achieve a lower price tag when compared to their last year's Mi TV 5X. But there's another way to look at it. Do you actually need all those many features? Let's find out. I'll try to keep this short and quick as possible. The X series lacks the hands-free Google Voice Assistant. But then you can access the same from the TV's remote itself, and personally if you ask me, I don't use that feature very often. So I don't look at that as any kind of a trade-off. Again, that's my perspective. Then the X series comes with just 8 GB internal storage with only 4.4 GB of usable space. Now that's something that left me surprised and a little disappointed. Because for a 4K smart TV in 2022, it should have at least 16 GB storage. I tried to install Asphalt 8, a car racing game, and there just wasn't enough storage unless I deleted some apps. Then I deleted some that I don't use very often and was finally able to install the game. But wait, hear me out. If you just need to install OTT apps and some multimedia apps, then 8 GB should be more than enough. But still I'd say 16 GB would have just been perfect. Then it's running Android TV 10 OS. Now a lot of people ask me, why not Android 11? I agree. In fact, why not Google TV OS? But then does it affect my user experience? Not at all. On the contrary, Android 10 is like Windows 7, bug-free and works pretty well every time. Then without a doubt, the build and design are pretty solid. It comes with a metal frame, metal back, but instead of metal stands that we got on the 5X, we get plastic stands on the X series. Still, overall very clean minimalistic design. Nothing fancy, but doesn't look cheap either. Not talking about the most important part of any TV, the display and the viewing experience. Now, I'm not going to go technical, I'll just share what I feel. HD channel set-top box look really good. They're bright, they're colorful, and they're very clear. Upscaling is decent. It's not the best, but nothing to complain either. HD channels look brilliant. So clear and crisp. If you watch a lot of HD channels from a set-top box, this is going to be a treat. Then also played a lot of 4K videos from YouTube, including my own. I didn't experience any buffering or lag, unless you have a poor internet connection. 4K videos take full advantage of all the pixels on the display. You can literally see every minute detail. By the way, for those coming from a full HD TV or an HD ready TV, this will be a huge jump. The colors look really nice, natural, yet sprinkling a hint of vividness. We get Dolby Vision support on this TV and you can find tons of content of Dolby Vision on Netflix, Hotstar and now even on Prime Videos. Here's a Dolby Vision video sample playing from Netflix. Dark scenes, however, aren't the best. You can feel the little gloominess. But then you can change it in the Dolby Picture settings from Dolby Vision Dark to Dolby Vision Bright. And that really enhanced the whole viewing experience. Check this out. Now this could be controversial. A lot of people ask me, what is the peak brightness of this TV? Well, Xiaomi hasn't shared any info on that, and I know there are some YouTube creators who use handheld meters and show you the TV's brightness. I feel like laughing. Technically, that's not the way to check the brightness of a TV panel. Any TV engineer will agree with me. Also, what is this obsession with brightness levels? The TV is way more than that. Sabko sirf पूछना है brightness level कितना है. Just ask me how's the sound experience, ask me how's the overall viewing experience. But nahi. It's like someone asking phone mein RAM कितना है. I know it matters, but it's the whole package that matters even more. If I might digress a little, iPhone 13 comes with just 4 GB RAM. Just 4 GB, but performs better than most 12 GB RAM phones. I hope you get the point. It's not just about numbers, it's the whole package. Talking about viewing angles, well, they are okayish. I mean, there is a noticeable shift in colors and tones if you sit extremely on the sides, but not something that you would notice very easily. On the display front, I can tell you that Xiaomi has made no compromises. Also, something that you don't get with any other smart TV is Patchful. It's colorful, interactive interface where you discover tons of new content, live TV channels, and there's so many new channels here. Regional language content. Now there's IMDb integration, so you want to check your ratings before you watch your favorite content. Movies, kids section for kids age appropriate content. To simply put it, Patchful is a great fun experience. Coming to sound. So it comes with 30 watt sound output and with DTS Virtual X support. The audio is very dynamic and punchy. Vocals are really clear. Music sounds really good. Not like a theater, but close since it does also get loud enough. You also get eARC support. So it comes with Dolby Atmos pass-through. It can be connected to Dolby Atmos supported soundbars. Keep in mind, it doesn't support native Dolby Atmos, but just pass-through. Alright, final thoughts. So without shying away, I'd say that the Xiaomi TV X series could have had more storage. But then in return, they priced it lesser than their premium Mi TV 5X series. So accordingly, I'd say it seems a pretty good deal. The best way to put it is, if you're someone looking to buy a 4K TV and are on a tight budget, but you don't want to compromise on viewing experience and clubs along smooth user experience, good sound and Patchful, the X series fits perfectly. It's available in 3 sizes. 43-inch 4K is for 28,999, 50-inch 4K is for 34,999 and 55-inch 4K is for 39,999. It goes on sale on 14th of September. I'll share the links for all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. If you need more details like specifications, how the apps work, audio demo, more about the display, you should definitely check out the unboxing and impressions video. I'll leave the link in the description. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.